Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail you how to get around screen time limit. So if you set up screen time on your iPhone and app limit is set in such that once the limit expires, the application will stop working. Then this is exactly what you need here, as I'm going to walk you through how to get around app limit on your iPhone. So this is my Facebook. If I click on OK, the Facebook application is going to close. This is because I've set app limit on the Facebook application and I'll not be able to access the Facebook application on my phone. So if I go ahead, open it, this is not going to open the Facebook app. Rather, it's going to show limit. Now, this is how to get around the app limit on your iPhone. There are two things you can do. You can either ask for more time or remove the application from app limit. To do this, go ahead and open the application that you have time limit on. Then go ahead and click on ask for more time. Then you can extend for 1 more minute or enter screen time passcode to extend more than a minute. So just go ahead and type in your screen time passcode. And then you can now approve for 15 minutes, 1 hour or all day. However, if you want to remove this particular application from app limit or you want to extend how long you spend on this particular application on your iPhone, just go ahead and open the settings app. And on the settings, you need to scroll down and click on screen time. Once you click on screen time, scroll down, locate and click on app limits. Then you should see the application limit you need to adjust. Here, let's say Facebook, click on it. Type in your screen time passcode. And you'll be able to customize the app limit. Come here to where you have time, then change the time. Then customize day. So you just need to customize how you use the Facebook application for each day or the application for each day. Hit the bar button again. Now, if you don't want to block the application, once the limit ends, turn this off. And then you are good. If you want to delete the application from app limit, click on delete limit and then click on delete limit from the pop. And that's going to grant you access back to the Facebook application on your iPhone. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to get around screen time limits in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.